Hello everyone, this is Nagarajan. I'm really very happy to wish you all today. Wish you all a very happy and prosperous Diwali. May God bless you all for your good health and wealth. And thank you very much for the great support and for all the subscription, likes and comments. As you all know, I post technical and non-technical videos, Selenium, Cucumber, Git, mutual fund and stock related videos. My main motive is to help you guys in providing the valuable information. In terms of technical, I believe that would make you accelerate and excel in a better way. In terms of non-technical, you would get some idea on how to make proper investments over a long run. With this, I'm done. Thanks again. I'm expecting your awesome support in the upcoming future as well. Have a wonderful Diwali. Just join with me. We'll enjoy the crackers now and the sparkling lights.